Hello everyone, today we have some Lenovo Legion on my table. This piece of junk throttled like a demon, and I decided to repaste it and see if it will change something. At first, we need to remove these 10 screws on backplate. To pop it open, I'm using my trusty nasty prime tool, but an old bank card works just as well. Just be careful not to damage anything. And here we have it, the insides of my beast. Under the hood we are rocking a 14th gen Intel Core i7 RTX 5060 with 8 gigs of GDDR7, 32 gigs of DDR5 running at 5600 megatransfers per second, and everything is sitting on 1TB M.2 SSD. Before we dive deep inside, we need to disconnect the battery. To do this, we need to unplug this connector and take out these two screws. Let's disconnect the Wi-Fi card. You don't actually have to pull it out, but I'm doing it to give you guys a clearer look. And now we can finally get to the cooling system.
Helicopter, helicopter!
As you can see, there are a lot of screws, but these are the ones that need to come out first. Also, don't forget to unplug the cooling fans. And finally, we have these 7 screws that are pressing the heatsink down on top of the chips. And here's the problem, the thermal paste is absolutely toasted. We need to clear this mess up and get some fresh paste on this CPU and GPU. For the cleaning, I'm using some isopropyl alcohol, toothbrush, cotton swabs and sunblock.
Hang up that computer call. Come over here and kiss me on my hot mouth.
A classic combo for scrubbing out the old gunk. Now it's time for the thermal compound. You should also don't forget about our copper tubes. They need to be cleaned too. And last but not least, we need to put this beast back together. Remember, it's crucial to tighten the heatsink screws in the correct order. One more thing, the tightening order is actually numbered right on the heatsink. So just follow the sequence to keep everything balanced. From here on out, it's just the reverse process. Tighten the heatsink screws, drop the Wi-Fi card back in, reconnect the antenna cables, plug the battery back in, and finally, snap the bottom cover back on. As you can see, after 10 minutes of tests, the temperatures are so cool, it's practically chilly down there now. Alright, that's all for the Legion today. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more repairs. Thanks for watching, guys. Love you all. See ya.